Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Komodoty. They sent me the robust stainless steel, waterproof, featherweight, anti-slip structure watch band for the Google Pixel Gen 1 and 2. And in the box, you will get all of these tools here to help remove the pins, links from the watch band so you can get it down to size for your wrist if you need to. For some of you, you might have bigger wrists and right out of the gate, it may just fit the way it is. For me, I'm going to have to remove 2 or 3 of the links. So it is what it is. It is my first time ever doing anything like this. So I'm going to ask that you're patient. The video is going to be a little bit longer than I would like it to be. I'll do my best to edit it down a little bit, but I don't want to edit out any visual information, especially for those of you that have never done this. I mean, we're both in the same boat, right? But there are some of you out there that have used these type of tools when removing pins and links from a steel watch band. Now, all the information to purchase the black steel Pixel watch band will be down below in the description area. With that, let's go ahead and remove some pins and links with not this guy or these guys. Some extra tips here. This is a little mini flathead. That is really cool. I might need this, so we'll wait and see. Now this right here is an interesting tool. Again, I've never done this. Many of you have seen a tool like this, but if you take it out, twist to the left here, you can see how the tip here will, you can unscrew that and change it out with these tips depending on the size of the pins. Okay, so put it back in, rotate to the right, and it'll go forward. The tip of that area is completely flat to help push out the pins. So what we want to do is look underneath the watch band, and you see those arrows? That's the direction you want to push the pins out. So you would lay the watch band like that, and you can see the little areas there where the pins are. So you want to get this tool right into head of the pin. Okay, I think I got it right there. If you watch on this side, it should, there we go. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That is sweet. That was simple. Okay, and we simply just want to pull that pin out.
Okay, so I'm going to remove 2 from here. So we'll put that over there, and I'm going to speed up the video a little bit.
Okay, so now I want to bring the watch band that's connected to the watch. I want to make sure it's upside down, just like this area here. You can see the arrows there. And then we want to bring that together there like that. So we want to go back in the opposite way of that arrow. Get the pin here. What I'm going to do is push the pin in so it's not sticking out. You want to see it somewhat disappear, just like the other little holes there. You don't see the pin, so I want to just push that in. There we go. All right, so let's see if that is going to work on my wrist. Now, as far as the clasp, very simple and easy to use. This is what we call a push button clasp. This little button area there is going to insert itself right in here, and it's going to lock in place. Now, on the right and left hand side, you got these release buttons. You push in and bam, just like that. Okay, so very simple and easy. I gotta tell you, man, that is bold. Digging the color, the black steel pixel watch band. The other color option is silver, and I'll throw up a screenshot of that watch band. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on a watch case with display protection on the Pixel Watch. I wasn't gonna do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So basically you just wanna find the cutout there for the crown and place it over the top. Make sure it's right over the crown. There we go. Now, if I can find the information for this case, I will leave that down below in the description area. I'm pretty sure I ordered it over at Amazon, but there's plenty of different cases for your Pixel Watch that you can purchase over at Amazon. But I would suggest protecting your Pixel Watch, whether that's Gen 1 or 2. But that looks really, really nice. Look at that. Yeah. Every once in a while, you just gotta give a little bit of wipe down. The case gives the Pixel Watch a little extra girth. And with the black steel watch band from Komodoty, that looks really, really bold. All right, with that, thanks for watching, everybody. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. God bless you all. Happy holidays. Peace. I'm out.